Hi guys, it's Destiny. I wanted to film a quick project share of something new that I have been working on. Well, I just finished it. I have it over here because it's laminated, so my light causes a glare. But you'll only see the glare in the beginning when I'm showing you the cover. So I'm sorry, but just bear with me, and then most of it there will be no glare. But I made a junk journal, I guess. I've never made one. It's not truly a junk journal. I know, junk journal police, don't come for me. There's zero junk in it at all. It's all just beautiful, pretty things. But, I don't really know what else to call it. I guess just a journal. But yeah, so I was inspired by a tutorial from Lyric Lover Crafts, where she made, I'll link it below, her tutorial. So she made something like this with the paper. She didn't laminate it, but I kind of followed her tutorial for the base of what I wanted to do, and I did end up tweaking some of the measurements and adding in some more pages to mine, and then of course I laminated the cover. I also added a ribbon tie closure here with some eyelets because, as you can see, it got pretty chunky. But yeah, I will link that tutorial down below. If you guys want me to, I can film like a tutorial of the part of how I laminated it, but it's pretty much the same thing, but then you laminate it. But sometimes those things can feel daunting, so let me know if you want a tutorial for that. Anyway, I will try to link everything that I use down below, but the seam binding is from My Scrap Cabin Job, and then the paper collection that I used was the vintage paper pad from Die Cuts with the View. So this is what the cover looks like, and I'm really gonna try and have that go away. So the lighting might not be the best for a moment, but let's do that just for a moment. But it's just so pretty with the butterflies and the flowers and all the postage stamps. I loved it. I was gonna do a cut apart maybe, but I just thought this paper was so pretty by itself that I was like, you know what? We're just gonna do it like this. And then yes, I did do some eyelets to close mine, and then I also added just like a little eyelet up here, and I like put on some charms too, because I don't know, I thought it was cute. Like, it's very maximalist. But okay, I'm gonna put the light back over just so that we have good lighting when I open it up. So okay, so oh yeah, and that is laminated, obviously. Okay, so this is the first page, and I just have a little pocket in here. It turned out so cute. So there's like another little charm right there. This is a pocket. So there's like a bunch of pockets within the pocket, but I just have a bunch of like goodies in here. This is just like a vellum tag. And then I just have a bunch of like, random ephemera, or this is a really good project to use up a bunch of stuff because you use a lot of stuff. So that's the first page, and I did do some trim on some of the pages as well because I think it's so cute how it pokes out. Okay, this is the second page. And I just have a little doily here as kind of like a little side pocket, which I thought was so cute. And then here I just have, some, well, actually I'll show you the other side before I take it off. So this is just kind of like a card, some flower die cuts and some stamps. And then on this side, it's just paper clipped. And I have a butterfly ephemera tag card. This is just a blank card, but I mean, I'll still show you. So it's just a blank card, but I rounded the corners, and I just thought it was cute to include that on some of the pages. Like, You know, you could use it as a card. You could not use it as a card. You can do whatever you want. Right? Okay. Okay, and then this is the next page, which has a pocket, which just has some more goodies in it. I have like a journaling card. This is just like a random vellum tag. This is another tag, and those just fit in that pocket. This is the die cut flower. I'll show you this side. This is the next page. I have this book ephemera, and then I just have this kind of envelope paper clipped right there. Inside here I have like just a random like journaling card and a frame that whoever could just use. So I thought that was cute. I've never really done this before, so I was just kind of throwing stuff together. Okay, this is the next page, another pocket. So I just have like a random little hotel tag right there. I made this tiny little like booklet notebook type thing as well with my scraps, which I just thought was adorable. And then some more just like journaling cards and stuff like that. So all of those fit in this pocket. Some more trim. This one's a different one. Both the trims are from Hobby Lobby though. And then I just have like, you know, some ephemera paper clipped right there, little side pocket with some more goodies. This is just like a butterflies. Oh my gosh, these are like the cutest little file folders, and I made it into like a tiny, tiny little notebook. It was so fun. So there's that. Let's see what I have in here. I don't even remember sometimes, just a bunch of random stuff. So another frame, some more ephemera frames, just like extra scrap paper. I don't know, it's junk journal, guys, right? I can just put whatever and maybe someone will find a use for it. I don't junk journal personally, but this was a very fun project to make, and yeah, I'm glad it all worked out with the laminating. I was like, it should work, right? And then you just never know how things are gonna work. Anyway, in this pocket, I've got some more, just like a large tag that I cut out, and just some random ephemera that goes in there. This is just another card, it's blank, and I just have some ephemera paper clipped on both sides. So that's cute. More random goodies, tags. Let me know what you guys think, and if you have any suggestions. Like I said, I'm new to this, so this is just like a random little envelope, and I put a little frame in there, and then another little tag and some tickets. And then some more trim. Okay. And, you know, just lots of goodies. Random stuff in here, I'm sure. What did I put in here? Butterfly, scrap paper. These are just the tiny envelopes from Hobby Lobby. Okay. Cute. More just ephemera with a card. It says, I hope you have a happy day. Another tag, another card. And these are gusseted pockets. The ones that are, you know, a regular pocket, the side pockets are not. This is another just little journaling booklet I made with a couple of pages of that craft paper. So cute. And more tags. And then another little doily side tag. And then on the last page, I just made like a little library pocket, and I made this part a pocket as well. So I just have a tag sticking out of there so that the little seam binding pokes up out of the book. And then I made more of these little file folder, tiny little journals, and put that in that pocket, and I added some trim right there. And then obviously this is the actual library pocket, so just have some more goodies in there. So yeah, that is everything. I forgot to put my little sticker on there, but it was so fun to make, and I'm so pleased with how it turned out. I'm like pleasantly surprised, I guess, because I've never really attempted something like this. I've always been like, oh, I'm gonna stay in my lane because I'm not a journaler or whatever, but it was really fun to make. So yeah, even though I don't junk journal, I liked making this, and maybe someone will take this and put their pretty junk in it. So yeah, that was everything, I guess. I like how it turned out. It's very fun. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions for like what sort of stuff I should add in for this type of, type of journal. It is going to be available in my Etsy shop if you are interested. But yeah, that was everything. Okay, thanks for watching.